Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off your dial pad tone. As you want to off this dial pad tone in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off dial pad tone in our Xiaomi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you off it. So as now let's see how to off it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off this dial pad tone. And guys, scroll and guys you can see your sound and vibration settings. So guys, tap here. Again scroll it guys, scroll it. Come in last guys, additional settings. So guys, tap here. Guys, you can see your dial pad tone. So we will off from this right side. And guys, now you can see. So friends, you can see guys, your dial pad tone will not work in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So as now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching guys.